like to also allow our visitors to also upload a file. Okay, let's say PDF, they have any document they want to upload, they have a song, an mp3, a video. Okay, if they have a picture we would like them to upload, how do we get that information? Okay, so let me create another form which I have the codes already. The only thing that will change will be the attribute get to post. Okay, so we are going to add one attribute here, post. We cannot do it with our traditional post. So let's see method. It says the HTTP, I'm reading, the HTTP method that the browser uses to submit the form. Possible values are, you see, post correspond with the post method. Form data are included in the body of the form and sent to the server. Get, this is what I said we cannot use. Okay, correspond to the HTTP get method. Form data are appended to the what, to the action attribute URL with what, a question mark as a separator. So what I'm trying to say is that we are using the what, the post method, okay, to be able to what, upload. The type is a file. The file also creates something like a text box, okay, with the word browse close to the text box. Okay, with the word browse close to the text box. When you click on the browse, it opens your file explorer. So depending on your operating system, your file explorer will open differently. The designer has no control over how the file explorer is going to open. So let me just save this. This is a different form I'm trying to create to allow me to input to upload files. Okay, so I see upload your mp3 song, your song in mp3 format. You see there is a browse and there is an upload. Okay, it says no file selected. Let me click on the browse. When I click on the browse, it should open my file explorer because I'm using Windows 10. Let me just go to the images, select the image. Okay, I want to send, and I'll click on open. When I do this, it has selected what, the file I want to send, and now I cannot submit by clicking what, upload. When I upload it, it will take me to the particular website where my action is pointed to. If you check here, you see my action is pointing to example.com. I told you it can be facebook.com. This is how we upload our pictures. This is the same way we are allowed to upload, let's say, our passport pictures for a form, from a form. We are allowed to upload our documents, let's say our thesis, let's say our homework, our assignments you have been given. This is the same method they use in uploading, the post method. Okay.